Today we will see how to format this range of information as table. So the aim is to ease the calculation. So what we want to avoid the turnover is the quantity times the price per unit. So normally what I should do if I don't format as table, I will say equal either product or this times this. Then I will have to copy paste down the formula. But now what if I add another product, let's say orange, with other quantity, then a different price. So in this case, I have a calculation, but normally I don't have any calculation. So I will have to calculate. So what I can do, I can convert this range as a table. So first I select my table. Then I click on format as table. So it is different display, and from light to dark mean the tone is lighter, medium or dark. Let's say I want this to be in green. So sorry for the header. It's just for me to be clear, but clear. Okay, so now if I type a formula, which is the same, equal this times this, you will see the formula filled directly down. Boom, it's done. Plus now if I add another product here, let's say I don't know, orange again. If I add a quantity, a price, not only the price will be formatted in euros, but also the calculation will be done automatically. So I don't have to copy paste the formula each time. Now if I want to go back in previous formatting, which is not format as table, I select my table, I go directly in the table design, and I click convert to range. Before it was a range, I converted it as a table, and if I want to revert, to go back, to revamp, so I will do that. I will click on convert to range. So now we don't have header with the different list. So now if I add normally something, I won't have any calculation. That's it.